How to replicate any web page using ChatGPT 4. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, you have to head towards the web page that you want to replicate. After you land to that web page, now you have to take this screenshot or you have to save the picture of that web page. After you do that, you have to log into your ChatGPT 4 account. After you log in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you will see this message box. Over here, you can see this picture kind of icon. Click on it. From this icon, you will be able to attach image. Now select the image of the web page that you want to replicate. After you select it, now you can ask ChatGPT to provide a code to build similar kind of web page. And then you're gonna get response from ChatGPT Plus. You can see that it's gonna provide you the code. After it provides the code, now you can copy this code. Click on this option of copy code. After you copy the code, open Notepad app. Paste that code. After you paste it, you have to save this file. For that, you can click on this option of file. Click on save as and then give a name to your file. Make sure you add .html along with the name given. Now you can click on save. Now you can close this. And in your home screen, you will be able to find the file that you have just saved. Now you have to open that file. And now you will be able to find the web page similar to the web page that you want to generate. So this is how you can replicate any web page using ChatGPT 4. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.